Hello everyone, today I am also describe the first chapter of class 11, Introduction of Physics. Physics and it take an important part in our daily life, but it is also useful in the different terms, and the different kinds of the physics is also very helpful in daily life. Now generally the physics is taken by the Latin word physius. It means of construction and organization of the natural phenomena. In our daily life, many examples of the natural phenomena to like as a sun. Sun is the source of energy at Earth, and sun is produced energy in the process of nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is that process when the two or more lighter elements to be combined in one heavier atom. That is process known as nuclear fission. To like as we can easily understand by an equation. When the tritium is react with deuterium, then it will be formed in helium and one neutron. That process of the nuclear fusion when the two or more lighter elements to combine in one heavy. But that is the phenomenon of physics we can easily understand. Sun is the main source of Earth, and it is also follow to the Planck quantum theory, because sun is the bundle of energy and we can retain as E is equal to h. H is the Planck constant and nu is the frequency, and sun is the main source of atom, and it will be also behave the process of photoelectric effect. We can easily understand when the high intensity sunlight is strike on the photosensitive plate, then the photosensitive plate to follow the process of photoelectric emission, because the high intensity ray of light is strike on the photosensitive plate, then it will be ejected the photoelectrons and the current developed in device in the form of photocurrent, and it is also very useful in the solar cell and solar panel. Below part of the photosensitive have the semiconductor p-n junctions, and p and n type of semiconductor to be consume the numbers of photoelectron, and it will be changed to the amount of light energy in form of current or electricity. When we running, eating, swimming, playing, throwing, that is all of the phenomena is basically developed or depend at the physics. What is the branches is also very differ. We can be easily understand the physics, the main branches. First, thermodynamics. Thermodynamics now mean it will be formed two words, thermo plus dynamics. It means transfer of the heat energy, or we can be say to the thermodynamics is the branch of physics which deal study the transforming of heat energy, and it is also work in three variable: pressure, volume and temperature. The total thermodynamics is basically function at three variable: pressure, volume and temperature. What is the isothermal process? When the temperature to be remain constant, that process is known as isothermal. Second, adiabatic. No transformation from heat energy from inward to outward or outward to inward. Third, isobaric process, where the pressure to be remain constant. In the isochloric process, when the volume to be remain constant. Generally, two types of the wall is helpful in the thermodynamics. One is the adiabatic wall, and other is the dithermic wall. The adiabatic wall, there have the no transformation of heat energy from inward to outward, that is the adiabatic wall. If the amount of heat energy will be transferred from inward to outward, that is a dithermic wall. The thermodynamics is also very useful in our daily life, to like as a black body radiation. In the process of black body radiation, that was the high intensity ray of light is strike on the surface or black body, then it will be consume the maximum amount of the light. Kajal is a very good example for the black body radiation. When we explode the some bombs in the Pauli, afterward we wear a kajal on our their eyes, that will be behave as the black body radiation, and the maximum amount of the heat energy to be released from our eyes to the outside of from the body. That was the temperature of eyes to be increased, and afterward the kajal to be consumed the total amount of light, and it will be emitted outside from the our eyes. That is the black body radiation. The thermodynamics is also very useful in the heat engine and system. Heat engine are system that will be devised in three terms: source, working substance and sink. Source, that substance to be used as the fuel, is known as working substance, to like as petrol, diesel, etc. Working substance, that was the air or water. And sink, that was unusual thing go outside from the body, that will be known as a sink. That is the example of the thermodynamics. Okay, goodbye students. Now we discuss a new topic, a new matter, our next video. Until then, goodbye.